Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to use Yokee karaoke app. So first things first is to install the app onto the App Store or onto your Play Store. Now once you're already in, just simply click on to open to get started onto using the app. Now, as you can see, it will ask you if you would allow to send notification. Just simply click on to allow, and then right after, the next thing that you need to do is you could actually go ahead and try to log in already onto your account. So for you to be able to use this onto its main page, you should be able to see the different songs already in here. So you'll just need to choose which one you want to sing. So if you have decided already, just simply click on to sing and then allow Yokee to access your microphone. Then right after, it will ask you to connect to your headphones for best quality, but this is actually optional. And then right after, you could actually choose different effects onto the bottom part if you want it to be studio, theater, echo, or chorus, and then you'll just have the option as well to turn on the camera or not. Then if you're ready already, just simply click on to sing. And that's just basically it onto how to use Yokee, the karaoke app. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.